Hello ladies and gentlemen, DMYT here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Iniu 20,000 mAh battery power bank. Now, I'd like to say big thanks to Iniu for actually sending me this. And just so you guys know, these are going to be my honest thoughts. Iniu has not told me to say or read anything. So yeah, with that said, let's get back into the video. I've owned some of the products in the past and I've had a great experience with them. One example is this one right here. This is the Iniu 20,000 mAh battery power bank that they did before, but this one only does 22.5 watts of power, whereas this does 65 watt of power, and that's the main thing about this. Now let's get into the unboxing. So it comes in this eco-friendly packaging. Okay, well that didn't work. Let's try that again. Oh, all right. Well, that took a few tries, but let's open it up. Now let's see. Oh, okay. So this is actually the model with the cable already attached. So let's see what we get here. We get Iniu shop. We get an instruction manual. So let's have a look at the actual power bank. Now, let's see. It comes with 52% power and it has this nice USB-C cable attached. Now this is braided and it's a flat cable as well. Nice and short. It says it supports up to 100 watts. Now obviously this only does up to 65. However, if you have a 100 watt charging brick, then you can plug this in and charge your phone or laptop or tablet even at 100 watts. Now this one actually comes out, you've got to pull it out, and it's, I don't know if it's magnetic. It might have it has magnets. Okay, that's really cool. And I'm assuming it's the same for the other side. Boom. Quite simple. Now let's get to the main thing, charging speeds. Now this power bank, unlike the other one, can charge a Samsung Galaxy Ultra series at 45 watts, super fast charge 2.0, whereas my old one cannot do that, as you can see on the video right now. Also, Iniu claims that it can charge a MacBook Air 13-inch M1 to 51% and an iPhone at the same time to 71% in just 30 minutes. That is quite impressive for how small this is and compact. But whilst we're here, let's charge the MacBook. So I'm gonna plug it in to this PC or laptop one, and then let's plug it in here. And as you can see, it's charging. But that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought I'd make a little video on this. Links to buy this will be in the description. And thank you to Iniu once again for sending me this product. And if you feel like I could improve anywhere, why not leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. DMYT signing out. Peace.